AI is a rapidly evolving technology that offers numerous possibilities in the future. It has already revolutionized many industries and is expected to have an even greater impact in the years to come. AI can be used to develop smart machines that can think and act like humans, and can be used to automate many processes that would otherwise be done manually. AI can also be used to improve medical treatments, reduce human error, and make decisions that are more accurate and efficient. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, allowing us to interact with our environment in new and innovative ways. AI can also be used to solve many of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change and poverty. The possibilities for AI are endless, and it is only a matter of time before AI becomes a major part of our everyday lives. AI shortly is a revolutionary technology that is revolutionizing the way that businesses interact with their customers. It is an automated system that is designed to make customer-facing interactions faster, more efficient, and more personal. AI shortly uses natural language processing, machine learning algorithms, and predictive analytics to quickly respond to customer inquiries in a conversational manner. This allows businesses to quickly and accurately answer customer questions and provide personalized customer service. AI shortly is helping to improve customer engagement and loyalty by enabling businesses to better understand customer needs and respond quickly and accurately. AI shortly is also helping to reduce the amount of time it takes to complete customer-facing tasks, saving businesses both time and money. AI shortly is quickly becoming an essential part of the customer experience, and is revolutionizing the way that businesses interact with customers. What jobs will be taken over by AI? Tech jobs such as software developers, web developers, computer programmers, coders, and data scientists are pretty amenable to AI technologies, displacing more of their work. The World Economic Forum predicts that the technology will create 97 million new jobs by 2025. Jobs specifically related to the development and maintenance of AI and automation will see growing adoption. AI integrates across multiple industries. Which jobs will be created by AI? Here's a look at some of the available jobs. AI research scientist. Research scientists in the AI field study artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI data analytics. AI consultant. Software engineering for AI. AI sales. Learn technical skills. Build your education. Learn workplace skills.